how to turn off the voice directions in 2GIS. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can turn off the voice directions in 2GIS. So if this is your question, ensure you watch this video to the end, right? So let's go. The first step is to log in into your 2GIS account, and then once you've done that, in the mini box displayed where you can see go home to the workplace, move to the right side and click on the 3 horizontal lines that you can see there. Then in the box displayed, select settings, which is found under interesting places. So on the settings page, you can see the option navigator settings, so select that. And on the navigator settings page, the next step would be for you to locate voice instructions. Or if you can't find it, just go to sounds and alerts, and here you can see voice instructions. Go ahead and select off, and then just like that, your voice instructions in 2GIS has been turned off. So this will disable all voice directions during navigation. So that is it. So I hope this tutorial has helped you. So if it has, ensure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up so that you can encourage us to do more videos like this. Have a good day.